In this video, I'm going to show you some of the neat things that you can do with Google Earth. To begin, you can search up pretty much any location on Earth. So let's say we wanted to see the Roman Colosseum. And Google will find that on Google Earth, take you there. And then you can switch between 2D and 3D. This is presented in 3D. You can move around and get a good look at not only the Colosseum, but its surrounding area. So that's one of the things you can do with Google Earth, is you can actually look up a lot of the things you might expect to see. A second neat thing you can do is go to Voyager. And what Voyager is a bunch of pre-made sort of tours around Google Earth based on a specific theme. So you can look at animals, look at sources of energy, lots of different things here, changing forests, just all sorts of themes that you can go through and look at, have your students go through and look at, that are just really neat visual depictions of a specific subject. So that would be Voyager. You can have it take you to a random place, but one of the neat things about Google Earth is the ability to create your own projects. Right? So let's say we're studying something very specific and there's a few landmarks that I definitely want students to pay attention to. I can just create a project. So here I have one. This is untitled. I didn't give it a title. And basically what I've done here is I searched for the Roman Colosseum and then the LA Memorial Coliseum, and just put those on the same project. So I can search for a bunch of different locations, sites, things like that, and I can add really as many as I want. And then when I go to present, it basically strings these sites together and shows them to me on Google Earth in the specific sequence that I want. So I can govern the order in which students encounter them, what exactly they see. And it's just a really great way to take advantage of Google Maps in interesting instructional ways. And that's some of the benefits of using Google Earth.